Welcome back to Louisiana. I am Samuel. So I recently hit 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Right now we're at about 207. That is just amazing. But what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be giving away a shirt. So if one of you guys would like to win a Louisiana Samuel shirt with a Louisiana Samuel logo, go down and subscribe. We're going to be picking a random person to win this in the next video, so you do not want to miss that. Make sure you stick around for the video next week where I'll be announcing the giveaway winner. While giveaways are awesome and all, there is something else we need to do. So a couple weeks ago, I filmed a video about how to use a GoPro Hero 7 Black as a webcam that can connect to a computer, and I got a comment from Homer Duss, and he asked if I could make a video about the GoPro Hero 7 Black video quality while using it as a webcam. I didn't really demonstrate in the video how much better the quality is from the camera while using it as a webcam than standard webcams that come on computers. So we're going to go do that real quick. I'm going to set up my webcam, go through all the settings I went over in that video, and in fact, I will post a link to that video right here. You can go and watch it. But let's go set up the webcam and test out how good the video quality actually is. Alright, so here is the webcam quality on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. As you can see, I'm a little overexposed in some places, but one of the amazing things about using a GoPro as a webcam is you can manually adjust all the settings on the camera, and you can't do that with the built-in Mac camera. And now that you have seen the GoPro webcam quality, you can see the contrast is actually pretty good. The background, you can get a nice blue tint on that if you raise your white balance and you adjust all the settings on the camera. And you can actually film at 4K 60 frames per second if you're doing a recording or a live stream. We're now going to switch to the built-in webcam and compare that. Okay, so this is the FaceTime camera, and you can actually see that the colors are not as quite as vibrant. It is a little bit darker, and the quality is definitely not as good. This camera only supports 720p 30 frames per second, and then my GoPro supports 1080p 60 frames per second or up to 4K if you're going to be doing a live stream. Most video calling platforms only support about 1080p. You have no control over the built-in FaceTime camera. You can't control the white balance, the exposure. It all does it automatically, so that does lead to some very high ISO settings if it's darker in the room, and that also causes a lower drop in quality. So you can kind of see how they compare, and that the GoPro is actually a good bit better compared to the built-in Mac webcam. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that comparison between the FaceTime HD camera that comes built in on Mac computers and the GoPro Hero 7 Black used as a webcam. In case you didn't see my original video about using a GoPro as a webcam, I'll put a link into it in the description. So the basic summary was that you had to get a capture card and a HDMI cord to connect the capture card to the GoPro. Then you change all your settings and get a perfect, beautiful looking picture directly out of the GoPro to use as a webcam or a live stream feed to a computer. We tested it, and the GoPro definitely has a much better quality over the FaceTime camera. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your grandmother, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.